EU restart the European Union's £80 billion research project over banning UK due to Brexit Omicron surge. European researchers have turned on the European Union's £80 billion research project after the UK was banned from it due to Brexit disputes. The Horizon Europe project brings together scientists from across the continent to combat disease, prevent climate change, and develop space technology. As part of the Brexit deal, the UK was granted continued membership in the Horizon Europe Innovation Fund, but the EU has since blocked the UK from the project until disputes are settled over the Northern Ireland Protocol and French fishing licenses. The UK was due to contribute £15 billion to the project with a rolling total of £7 billion more each year, and the delay in an agreement is creating major problems for the UK. Funding cannot be released to UK collaborators until there is a formal agreement, and if it will take many more months for an agreement to be made, EU researchers will not include UK scientists in their projects. As the Horizon Europe project continues without any involvement from Britain, EU researchers have reported a lot of difficulties and technical woes in the £80 billion research project. First impressions from European researchers have found that many researchers struggle to define the impact of their projects. The European Commission demands that the scientists submit a Horizon Europe Pillar 2 proposals which they view as time-consuming and bureaucratic. Cruz Enrique Borges Hernandez, a researcher at the University of Deusto, Bilbao, Spain, found working on the project challenging. He said, "It's a complete level harder to build the consortium, to organize the partners, to understand the call and try to put in place the right pieces. This has increased the complexity to a huge level. You have to do a lot of more things with less budget." Furthermore, researchers complained about delays after the program got caught up in the long dispute about the EU's overall 7-year budget. While member states wanted to cut research spending, the European Parliament wanted to increase it, leading to delays. The final budget was not agreed upon until December 2020, after which it took another 6 months to properly launch the program. Furthermore, many researchers were frustrated with technical issues that plagued the Commission's overloaded platform. Scientists faced technical woes like being unable to save forms, submit proposals or change the participant order. Tivor Ord, head of grant office at the University of Tartu, submitted 98 Horizon Europe proposals in 2021. He too agreed that the technical issues were a problem. He said, "The main obstacles in the submission process have been technical ones, connected with the funding and tenders portal capability to process all information and data close to the deadline." In response to the EU's decision to use Horizon Europe as a bargaining chip in Brexit negotiations, Science Minister George Freeman has said the UK is ready to set up its own scheme. The New Deal has been struck with Australia, Japan and the US to develop the tech of tomorrow. The UK is expected to pump £17 million into the New Deal between the countries. This will allow the UK to work with institutions such as NASA and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, in the US to Australia's University of Sydney, Japan's RIKEN and the Max Planck Institute of Molecular Physiology in Germany's. The investment for these 12 projects will come from the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council, EPSC, part of UK Research and Innovation, UKRI. But Express.co.uk readers have rejoiced in another success for the UK declaring Brexit as a major benefit. Classy Lassie 42 wrote, "Forging relationships in technology with countries outside of the EU can only be a good thing for global research, and one of the benefits for the UK is that there will be no EU strings attached." Rishon wrote, "Britain wanted to be friends, the EU wants to subjugate us. The EU is irrelevant as GB looks at collaborating with trusted global partners." Blades wrote, "One small step for the UK, one giant leap for mankind. The less reliance on the bully boys, the better the UK will be. Keep with the threats, Brussels, you're doing the UK a big favour in the long run." Michael Taylor spoke of the UK's involvement in the Horizon programme in his comment. He wrote, "Do we need to join the Horizon program to participate in scientific collaboration? This story should give you the answer to that.